Hey everybody, Reyansh here. Friends, when we are born, our parents, our mother teaches us how to walk. And at that particular point of time, walking was so very difficult. When we were learning cycle for the first time, it was so very difficult. But after some practice, after falling so many times, it became obvious. Same in the case of learning bike. When I was learning bike for the first time, it was so difficult for me. But now it's obvious. I don't need to think about anything. It's become so obvious to ride a bike. In the same manner, when we want to achieve our goals, when we want to do something in our life, we need to learn certain things. For example, when I decided to make videos, I knew I need to learn that how to edit videos. And at that particular point of time, I found editing videos are so very difficult. But with time, now it becomes so obvious I can edit videos easily. Same is the case of each and everything that we want to learn. As I need to do live sessions, I need to learn things. I need to learn how to memorize all the pointers when we are talking to someone, when we are taking live sessions. All the time, we need to learn particular kind of skills. So it is very important to give time, to give efforts to a particular skill that we know that it is required, that it is important to learn. And we should always keep in mind that all the things as we know from our since our birth, that each and every phase of our life we need to learn something, and we found that it was so very difficult at that particular point of time, but later on it becomes so obvious. And as we know all those things, we should also keep in mind that if we are learning something new today, then also it will take some time, but after some time it will become very easy, because all the things are difficult before they are easy. We make the things easy with our practice, with doing that continuously. But when we are starting that, it is difficult, and if you found it difficult, don't leave it, just practice it, and you will make that particular skill, you will make that particular work easy for you. And that's it in this video, guys. I would really appreciate your views on this, and please do comment and let me know what you think about it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video and giving your time. Take care.